Okay, so our next item is also hopeful. It's about the increasing potential of 3D printing. We know that over 800 million people are living in poverty today, but there have been new inventions, new possibilities in the area of 3D printing. There's now a giant robot that can build a 2,000 square foot house in less than 24 hours. It's also cheaper. We don't have to have people working on it. There's no transportation of materials. So this robot is going to be on market in 2 years. He's also working with NASA, this Professor Baruch Koshnevitz who's working on it. And so they're even thinking of printing houses on the moon. So we're seeing new possibilities that are open to us thanks to this new technology. Here's a picture of a house being built by a robot. So once again, it seems like technology is coming close to making our lives so much easier. Is that really the way it's going to be? Are we going to see, our lives getting more comfortable thanks to this technology?
Thanks to technology, our lives can be very, very easy. Today, we're not afraid of starving to death. We have food everywhere. Anywhere I go, everywhere I travel a lot in my field of work, and I see that there is abundance, there is food everywhere, and you can feed everyone in every place. And our planet has an infinite potential. We don't need to be afraid that it won't be enough. What will we do if we have another billion people, and so on. That's on the one hand. Also, there's water, clothing, now there's 3D printing, building houses, meaning what a person needs for his life, we can supply all of that. Humanity can supply all of that without wasting any even resources from nature almost. Because today they're finding that there are such sources of energy that are infinite. So if that's the case, what are we missing? Only one thing, and the most important thing, to be a human being and to use these very special innovations that we got through nature. We need to learn how to use them correctly. And unfortunately here we're really lagging behind. And because when a person now currently is changing, he's not changing properly, correctly. He's not changing to be more friendly to others. He's using technology for purposes of war. And we need to think how we can build a human being. To build a house, we can use a robot to do that. But what will we do with a human being? Who will build these people that will be friendly, to one another, working together, that we have one planet, we have ecology? Why not? What can help us grab this nature of ours and correct it? That is the problem. That is why we need only one thing. This is for the method of correction of man. There is such a method, and I really hope that before we reach huge destruction, we will discover this method and start applying it upon ourselves. And we try also to apply it. We try to present it to the world as much as we can with our limited forces and ability. And that is why I'm turning to everyone and I'm asking you, we are all friends, we are all human beings, we're all one family upon the place of this little planet. Let's make our lives like lives of a good, positive family, and this is possible.
It seems like it's so easy today to build a house, even in less than 24 hours, but how difficult will it be to create this new human? Yeah, why is it so hard for us, and how soon do you see this happening?
Only our nature won't allow this, and it's pushing us to development, not this to build this external technology, but we need to build around us technology that will build us from within, that will change our attitude towards the others. So hopefully we'll succeed in that.